this moment is a really a memorable moment for us to receive an award from the Chancellor.
It's really great to know, sir, and we are really happy for you. Can you talk about the research that you have got the award for?
See, we have received a research award today for the publication of 2023. So we have published 5 papers in 2023. It was a very good publication we had in the 2023 for 5 publication with the Scopus Index Journal. The point also scored more, and then with impact factor. So that was the year we worked very hard to get published our paper, which is indexed in the Scopus index in the Scopus journal, and then by the time our scholar has also submitted a pre-thesis this year. So this is the only encouragement for us that if someone will recognize and appreciate our efforts where we put it in our research and publication area. See, the faculty, we are not only involved in teaching or engaged in teaching. Our role is to teach. In academic, we teach, we do research, we get a consultancy project, we provide a training program like MDP and FDP for the faculty members, and we have also admin role. So simultaneously all the folds we are doing, and we are doing excellent job at, because this kind of encouragement we have. So the top management, the core committee, our Honorable Chancellor, the Vice President, and the Dean, and the Directors, the Vice Chancellor, the Pro-Vice Chancellor, they attach more importance to if someone will publish a paper, then it should be recognized and appreciated in front of all. So this kind of conducive environment if we create, of course the research drive the need will be created by the other faculty members. They will come forward. The youngster who is not doing research, or somebody they are engaged somewhere and excusing that I have a very teaching load is very high. So one thing that we are not only teaching for the purpose of only teaching, we do research because it's a research university. It's an international university recognized around the world for their publication, their patent, their filing patents, So we should be always, motivated to publish a paper, do good research teaching work, and also provide a training program to the faculty members, to the industry people, and also get the consultancy so that it will add more, feeder to the organization. So organization will go to the great height. So that we want. So last 14.5 years we have been contributing a lot in the enhancement of organizational growth, and through that a small contribution from my side in terms of publication, and then the consultancy. We had a consultancy earlier. We have completed the fund. I have also completed funded project. So it will add value to our career, more credibility. And then simultaneously I am also I have been recognized by the management. That is enough for me. That is a boost for us, a moral boosting, and it is the sense of responsibility as well as satisfaction.
We are really happy for you, sir, and we are really proud that you are working towards the motivation of the youngsters and improving the university's name and the society as a whole. Thank you for your time, sir. Thank you.
I believe that my research work should transform into the society. The idea should be taken up, and then it will change and make a difference in the society as well as in the organization. So I will be more happy, and then I will keep on continuing, undertaking project, doing research, and then try to bring excellence in my teaching and research. Thank you very much for inviting me.
Thank you, sir. I really hope that happens too. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.